Hi, and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. We're looking at German 30 or DAX index in daily, 4-hourly, hourly, and 15 minutes. So our daily time frame price action is quite telling. We are capped by this 200 period moving average at 95, and this oversold bounce back is losing a bit of a momentum, but this currently appears to be potentially forming some kind of bull flag as long as we stay above this 9,150, 9,100 levels, which is the cluster of these two moving averages. So going back to our 4-hourly, the 4-hourly is even a little bit more clearer with that, but the price action is currently capped by this 9,300 level, and also we are below curling 20 and 50 period moving averages, but clearly supported by our 200 at 9,100. We would need to see some kind of indication of either a breakout above this 9,300 and a swift move higher, or potentially a loss of this 9,150 might morph into something a little bit more ugly, like topping head and shoulder pattern, potentially targeting these levels. So in our hourly time frame, we could clearly see that significance of this 9,300 level, a rejection every time we go near it or as close to it as well in the past several trading sessions, and this coiling price action consists. So our 15-minute time frame would refer to the same levels as well, and the clear support is indicated by these two previous lows at 9,190, 9,170. So let's go back into our charts and see this in a 4-hourly time frame. I've drawn a couple of very basic trend lines, and the basic premise is that this is still clearly embedded uptrend. The concerning bit would be obviously the first support is at 9,200, which is our 200 period moving average, and also we tested that level on a number of occasions in the past several trading sessions. Loss of that level could very quickly target 9,150 as a logical downside support, and the retest of that level will be quite telling. So confirmation of that level or confirmation of this level as a support and a swift move higher would probably be seen as a bullish development. A loss of these two levels and confirmed dip below 9,150 and then subsequent return to retest that level from underneath as a newly found resistance would probably trigger loads of bearish setups, potentially targeting 9,100, even 8,900 over the coming days or weeks. Alternatively, as I said, if we dip and then get that confirmation and a buyer's return, or if we spike higher above the current resistance at 9,270, the logical upside resistance would be this falling resistance trend line at 9,300, which is the level that we refer to in our 4-hourly, hourly, and also in our daily time frame as well. Swift move above 9,300 could potentially target further upside at 9,351, followed by 9,400, 9,520 over the coming weeks. Overall bullish longer term, but shorter term overbought pullback.